Good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine. Today, continuity to yesterday's lecture. Today we will do some air pollutants. What are air pollutants? Air pollutants are those substances that pollute the air. So there are some major air pollutants. Number one, we will study first carbon monoxide. How the first question arises, how the carbon monoxide formed? Carbon monoxide formed when there is incomplete combustion of fuels, means when you burn the wood, when you burn the coal, due to their incomplete combustion, मतलब जब वो पूरी तरीके से जलते नहीं हैं, then which gas is formed? That gas is formed carbon monoxide, and this carbon monoxide is a very very dangerous gas. In the olden times अंगीठी हुआ करती थी, अंगीठी में कोयले जलाए जाते थे, एंड कोयले जब प्रॉपरली जलते नहीं थे, जब कोयले जलाए जाते हैं, देन कार्बन मोनोक्साइड गैस रिलीज्ड. ड्यू टू दिस एक बार क्या हुआ, इन द विंटर डेज देयर वाज वन फैमिली. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, रात के टाइम सर्दी थी, अंगीठी में कोयले जला दिए. ठीक है, तो क्या हुआ उन्होंने, और दे हैव क्लोज डाउन ऑल द डोर्स ऑफ द हाउसेस. एंड एज यू नो, व्हेन देयर इज इनकम्प्लीट कंबशन ऑफ फ्यूल्स, carbon monoxide gas will formed. Due to that, due to burning of the coal, more carbon monoxide gas released, and this gas, due to this gas, all the persons in the family died. Why? I will tell you the reason. Because when we breathe, we take in oxygen gas, but when the carbon monoxide passes through our nose and goes into the lungs, it combines with hemoglobin. What is the hemoglobin? In 7th standard we have studied that the hemoglobin is present in a blood. What is the function of hemoglobin? It carries the oxygen to a different parts of our body. But when we inhale the carbon monoxide gas, and when it goes to the lungs, it combined with the hemoglobin and make a complex substance that is known as carboxyhemoglobin. This substance carboxyhemoglobin. तो ये क्या करता है अब ये, एंड दिस कॉम्प्लेक्स अनएबल टू ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑक्सीजन टू द वेरियस पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी, मीन्स it stop the supply of oxygen to the different parts of body. If we does not take the oxygen, what will happen? We will die. So this cause suffocation and ultimately death. And this is the harmful effect of carbon monoxide on the human beings. What are the harmful effect on the human beings? It leads to a suffocation and ultimately death. And now comes, what are the harmful effect of carbon monoxide on plants? High concentration of carbon monoxide in air affect the growth of a plant. That leads to the leaf to drop. If there was a high concentration of carbon monoxide in air, then the leaf will drop. And student, this is very important question. In the point of view of your examination, the carbon monoxide gas is responsible for leaves to drop. Then the next air pollutant is nitrogen dioxide. How the nitrogen dioxide is produced? It is produced by combustion of petrol, gasoline in the automobiles. कार से जो धुआं निकलता है, ट्रक से, जो भी ऑटोमोबाइल्स हैं उनमें से जो हार्मफुल गैसेस निकलती हैं, दैट आर वन ऑफ देम इज नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड. एंड व्हाट आर द हार्मफुल इफेक्ट ऑफ नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड? Firstly, we will talk about what are the harmful effect of nitrogen dioxide on humans. Humans, it result in the respiratory problems in human beings. Means हमें breathing problems हो जाएंगी. And what are the effect on on plants? High concentration of nitrogen leads to the retardation of photosynthesis activity. Retardations means जो प्लांट्स की फोटोसिंथेसिस एक्टिविटी है उसको कम कर देना, कम होना. रिटार्डेशन मीन्स कम होना, डिक्रीज होना. हाई कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ नाइट्रोजन लीड्स टू द डिक्रीज इन द एक्टिविटी ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस, सो द plants will not able to prepare their food properly. Then the next is smoke. Have you seen in the winters a thick fog-like layer envelop the atmosphere? This layer is made up of smoke plus fog. Smoke and fog. The mixture of smoke and fog is known as smoke. क्या होता है कि जब हम पराली को आग लगाते हैं, खेतों में धुआं होता है तो स्मोक उड़ता है. एंड इन विंटर्स दैट स्मोक मिक्स्ड विद द फॉग. फॉग मीन्स जिसको आप धुंध बोलते हो, दैट लीड्स टू अ स्मोक. दिस स्मोक इज वेरी डेंजरस. वाई? बिकॉज दीज आर द हार्मफुल इफेक्ट ऑफ स्मोक on human beings. It leads to disease related to lungs. That means we will suffer from breathing problem like bronchitis and asthma. Bronchitis is also a disease related to the lungs, means we will suffer from breathing problems. And on the plants, and smoke prevents the sunlight reaching to the earth. If plants will not get the sunlight, then how will they prepare their food? So it leads to the retardation of the activity of photosynthesis. The next air pollutant is chlorofluorocarbon, that is also known as CFC. From where you get the chlorofluorocarbon? The gas that is used in the ACs, refrigerators, and you can say in your perfumes, that is chlorofluorocarbon. And what are the harmful effects of chlorofluorocarbon? Number 1, chlorofluorocarbon is responsible of depletion of ozone layer. Means जो आपकी protective layer है, what is ozone layer? Ozone layer is a protective layer around the earth, and it protect the earth from the harmful ultraviolet rays of sun. Means जो sun की harmful rays हैं, ultraviolet rays, उससे ozone layer हमें बचाती है. They save us from the ultraviolet rays that comes from sun. But CFC cause the whole, or you can say depletion of ozone layer. Depletion means ozone layer के बीच होल कर रहा है, उसको deplete कर रहा है. Okay, and if there are hole in ozone layer, what will happen? The harmful ultraviolet rays that comes from sun will reach to the earth. If the ultraviolet rays reach to the earth, what will happen? We will get the skin cancer, and it also damaged our eyes. During this lockdown period, have you heard? The ozone layer is reviving. Means ozone layer के जो holes हैं वो ठीक हो रहे हैं. Why? because nowadays no automobiles on the roads. Okay, there are less air pollution, so the earth is reviving. Then next is acid rain. The acid rain is the next topic. So we will do the acid rain topic tomorrow. Today we have discussed three major air pollutants. One is carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, smoke, and chlorofluorocarbon. So read it carefully and learn what are the effects of these air pollutants on human beings as well as on plants. Thanks and have a nice day.